when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
Franny's best friend.
Having so much fun in the winter sun. I'm making a snow dude, and now he's done. Spring's on the way.
The space clams are attacking! Run for cover, lads!
Hey, boys! Hey, can I play, guys?
Take that! You're working for the space clams!
Hi, guys! Can I play with you?
Well, you can be the reserve, Frannie. Wait by that tree till you get called up.
Goody, goody, goody!
Warlord Bjorn, prepare to be demolished! 'Twas an epic tale of guts and glory. The Space Clam Snowboard battle story! The snowballs flew with such great speed, you couldn't tell who was in the lead. Yes, every brutal, brilliant deed was awesome! Just watch the frozen battle blossom! Aha, a target!
Bjorn, look at this! Bucky isn't here!
That's not fair! She's helping your side!
While I was just sitting there, I got tired of waiting for you to call for me.
Our battles are pretty intense. Bjorn's right. A little kid like you could get hurt, Frannie. You should go do something else. You're right! I was a Space Clam double agent all along! Clam attack!
Those guys never want me to play with them. Guess I'm not any fun. Well, if I had a best friend, we would play all the time. And he would never think I'm too little to do stuff. Hello there. Let me give you a name. Bonbon. Let's be friends. It's Frannie and Bonbon. My lonely days are gone. Look what's going on. Fun that never ends, 'cause we're best friends. Frannie and Bonbon. Bonbon and Frannie. So good together. It's just uncanny. Having so much fun in the winter sun. You're the best friend. You're number one. Wow, Bonbon, I totally lost track of time. Have a great night, Bonbon, dear. Have sweet dreams.
And things are going swimmingly here on the maiden voyage of the SS Crafty Rafty, making excellent time. What a vessel! Attention, Mr. Bjorn. We've hit some blockage. No problem, Admiral. Bjorn's on it. Whoa, Frannie, hi! Do you want to play with us? You could be a stowaway.
Sorry, can't do it, 'cause Bonbon's waiting for me. I've even got a present for him.
Who? Do you know who Bonbon is?
Bonbon's my extra special friend. We have the best times. I really do have to go. Bye now!
This seems kind of mysterious. And where there's a mystery, there's a case for the Bear Detectives! Yeah!
Good morning, Bonbon. Bonbon, what happened to you, buddy? No fair. The spring just melted my best friend. Help me! Help!
Frannie, don't worry. We're here. The Bear Detectives excel at rescues. At least I think we would if we ever rescued anyone. Frannie, hold on tight.
There goes what's left of the bestest friend I never had.
Close one. Hey, Frannie, what's going on with this Bonbon?
Bjorn and Bucky, Bonbon was just a pretend friend, but he melted. But he'll be back to play with me next winter, if I rebuild him, of course. Oh, Chicky, thanks! You brought me the season's first flower.
It's beautiful. Spring might have melted your friend, but it does lots of good stuff.
Guys, I know the best meadow in the whole forest. The first flowers of the season completely cover it.
We'll pick the best bouquet in the world for our special friend, Frannie.
You guys are the most wonderful bears ever! My most specialist friends. Promise me you'll never melt.
We'll try our best. Bucky FM. Shovel full. Shovel
I'm tired
full.
of this. Ugh.
Shovel full. Ugh.
So, Bjorn, when do you think our skating rink will be ready?
It should be done by tonight, I hope.
Tonight? So we have to keep shoveling until then? Whoa! Awesome idea! Some music would make the work less terrible. I'll be right back. There! Now here's a little delightful music for us to shovel snow by.
Thanks, Bucky. I think you'd make an awesome disc jockey like on the radio.
On the radio? Time to broadcast some awesome! Hey, groovy people here and there. Hey, groovy people everywhere. The world's smartest awesome bear will soon be live and on the air. Checkity check check. Is this thing on? Hello there, dear radio audience friends. Welcome to Radio Free Bucky.
Bucky, what about the ice rink work?
Coming at you live, this is the Buckmeister, the forest's coolest DJ playing the forest's hottest tunes.
All right! It's the awesomest!
Right? So I've got my own show on the radio. I'll be playing you super sweet music night and day.
All right, fine. But we need to fetch some water for the rink.
Hang on. Do you guys hear anything?
Nah, nothing, dude.
Massive problem, guys. There's no sound. My radio show isn't on. That's just plain wrong. Relax, mammals. Radio Free Bucky is back on the air.
Tell us what's going on with you, Bucky.
Are you just going to sit inside all day long, Bucky?
Yes, I am. These righteous tunes aren't going to announce themselves. This next remarkably upbeat song is dedicated to yours truly. Sing along. You know the words.
Playing games when there's sunny weather.
Sunny weather.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
Books together.
Every
Yeah.
day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
Lucky, extra lucky.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky.
That's right.
Just
Yeah.
like Bjorn and Bucky.
Radio Free Bucky. At the sound of the tone, it'll be midnight o'clock. Sorta late. And now your favorite DJ, the Buckmeister, will read a bedtime story just for you. Bucky's Sleepy Time Tales. The story starts. Little Red Riding Hood built 3 houses of straw and sticks and bricks. No, wait. Oh, she sold her glass slipper to the goose that laid golden eggs for 5 magic beans. And then, space monkeys attack. The end. Sweet dreams. Good morning, dainty little listening ears. It's a new day of Radio Free Bucky. And it's time for, I don't know, a song or something that you can do your morning exercises to. That's a thing.
I think Bucky was at it all night. Frannie, we've got to stop this madness.
Yeah, we'll never have a decent hockey game without him.
You're right. I might have an idea. When your friend has disappeared into a feedback loop of weird, just show him what he's missing, and maybe then he'll listen.
And now for the news of the morning. Huh? What's that sound? What's going on out there? Oh, right! A hockey game! Right. Bjorn shoots. Off the boards. He recovers the puck and passes to Frannie. Oh, and she takes a tumble.
All right, he's watching us. Just keep messing up like that.
Bjorn moves to take a shot. Oh, and misses the puck
Gosh,
completely.
missed it, huh?
You call that hockey? Frannie passes. Bjorn shoots again. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Who plays like that? That's it. I'm going down there.
Yay! Bucky, you're on the ice with us.
Here's how you play hockey. Bjorn, pass. Goal! Ha! Oh, yeah. Let's play to 10, Bjorn.
Bucky, but what about your radio hero show.
I don't really know, but these goals aren't gonna score themselves. Frannie, you're on my team. Come on. First to 10 wins. Let's get started. Frannie passes to Bucky. He drives down the ice and scores. And Bjorn scores. Frannie's in control of the puck. Looking good and goal. Bucky passes to Bjorn and goal. Bjorn, Bucky, blah, 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 goal. Yay, hockey, yay, friendship.
The Pearl of the North.
What you doing?
Hi.
Awesome! What a cool model ship!
Yeah, right? It's the Pearl of the North, the fastest ship in the whole world.
Wow, is it really the fastest?
Well, that's easy enough to check. Let's get to the river.
Bucky, just wait. See, it isn't quite seaworthy yet. Let me finish up, and then we can try it out tomorrow.
Sounds like a plan. Tomorrow it is. Chicky, hey! It's tomorrow! Let's get to Bjorn's and test the ship! This is gonna rock! I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited! Bjorn, morning! Hey, where are you? Whoa, it's all finished! Oh, I can't wait to see how this baby maneuvers when we get it in the river. Dude, where on earth could Bjorn be? Maybe at Frannie's? Doesn't he know that tomorrow is here? You know what? I'll just take it out really quick. Sail forth, mighty Pearl of the North, with the wind in your sails. Blow ye blustery gusts. Hey, wait! This may be more wind than you can handle. You're just a model. Slow down. Thorn! It's the fastest ship against the smartest bear. Just stop, Dumbo. Come back from there. It's the smartest bear against the fastest ship. Soon I'll have you in my grip. No! Stop! I command you to come back here! Whoa!
Bucky, it's just gone. My wonderful Pearl of the North.
So, Bjorn, there's something that I have to confess. The thing is, Bjorn, I wanted so badly to rescue your pearl.
Thanks, Bucky. But from what?
From horrible giant robot pirates.
Huh?
Long story short, this evil crew of horrible gigantic robo-pirates bottled and snatched the noble pearl. And just as they were about to make their sinister escape, yours truly blocked their path. Gave them a little taste of my awesome buckitude. And what followed was as awesome as the superheroes you see in the movies. Then I came at him with blam and kerpow, and Long John Tron was all mace attack. But Bucky's not so easy to take down. I was ladling out righteous smackdown all over this igloo, baby. But then Long John Tron pulls out a cannon, right? Boom! I easily dodged the shot, but the cannonball flies into a wall. Shazing! And against all odds, ricochets right into the pearl and kasplackas it to smithereens.
To smithereens?
To bits. To atoms. Bjorn, there's nothing left of your model building masterpiece.
Oh, no.
Hey, look what I just found in the river.
Hey! Hooray! It's my Pearl of the North! Bucky, what about the, big robotic pirates? Did you make that up?
Well, in fact, I was the one who took your pearl. You were right. The Pearl of the North turned out to be incredibly fast, unbelievably fast. So what if I took it without asking? I just have to make it up to him. Oh, super idea! To make up for an epic friendship fail, you better start thinking on a larger scale. The SS Big Apology is about to set sail. Bjorn, I'm really sorry I took your ship without asking. I was just so excited to see how it floated.
It's all right. I forgive you. But it will be a long time before the noble pearl floats again.
About that, you're completely wrong. If you'll follow me, building the suspense. All right, look.
Ah!
I built it out of wood and gilt. It's the Pearl of the North, only bigger, and it's all yours.
It's just amazing!
Unbelievable! Bucky, thanks a lot.
And so the Pearl of the North Mark II hoisted its flags and set sail under the command of Captain Bjorn. I heard that this was the fastest ship in the world.
Aye, aye, Bucky. Trim those sails and let's see what she can do.